Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Good morning. Are you awake?
Can I sleep 5 more minutes?
No, it is 7 o'clock. Do you want to be late?
Why is it so early? Did you turn off my alarm?
No, I did not. Did you set it last night?
I do not know. Is it time for school?
Yes, it is. Are you feeling tired?
I am very tired. Can I skip school?
No, you cannot. Do you have a test?
Yes, I do. Did I study enough?
Yes, you did. Will you get up now?
Okay, I am getting up. Where is my uniform?
Is it on the chair? Did you check?
I see it now. Is it clean?
Yes, it is. Are you moving faster?
I am trying. Is the bathroom free?
Yes, it is. Do you have your towel?
Yes, I do. Can I shower now?
Yes, you can. Are you going to be fast?
I will be fast. Is there hot water?
Yes, there is. Will you hurry up? Breakfast is ready. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. What did you make?
I made eggs and pancakes. Do you want some pancakes?
Yes, please. Do we have coffee?
Yes, we do. Is it hot enough?
Yes, it is. Can I have sugar?
Is it on the table? Did you look?
I see it. Mom, did you brush your teeth?
Not yet.
Will you do it later?
Yes, I will. Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I did.
Was it hard?
No, it was easy.
That's good. Did you pack your school things?
Yes, I did.
Do you have your notebook and pencils?
Yes, everything is in my bag.
Great. What time does school start today?
at 8:30.
Then you should leave soon.
Okay, Mom, do you have a busy day today?
Yes, I do. I have an important meeting this morning.
I hope it goes well.
Thank you. Have a good day at school. Are you sure? Do you have your notes?
Yes, they are in my bag.
Are you ready for school?
Yes, I am.
What time will you be back?
Around 4 o'clock. Will you be home today?
Yes, I will.
Will you make tea?
Yes, I will. Do you like biscuits?
Yes, I love them. Can I have some?
Yes, you can.
Is the sun shining?
Yes, it is.
Is it a good day?
Yes, it is.
Can I kiss you goodbye?
Yes, you can. Are you a good boy?
Yes, I am. Will you miss me?
Yes, I will. Will you call me at noon?
Yes, I will.
Do you hear the bus?
Yes, I do. Can I run?
Yes, go. Be careful. Are you happy?
Yes, I am. Bye, Mom.
Bye, son. Have a nice day.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.